po ang inyong PLDT Home Devolution PBA Governors Cup na nagmumula sa Dubai live on TV5. Pagbubukas po ng second quarter to, laban ng Ginebra at Rain or Shine. Hatid sa atin ng Motolite. For express hatid service, call 370-6686. Rain or Shine in a world of trouble. 14 na puntos lang ang kanilang in-score. This after exploding for 38 points in the first quarter last night, Ali.
I mean, it was a great effort last night against a young, hungry team in Global Point. LA Tenorio hit a three-point shot, but again, that fatigue factor. Where are they? What kind of energy do these guys have right now? That's the biggest question.
Three-point shot ni Tenorio, hindi mabawi ni Belga. Yung kay LA, hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Devolution turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV. Tenorio is joined on the floor by Brontial. LA is being guarded here by Jericho Cruz. Kasama nila sina Urbistondo, Peña, and Baragael. Mac turns it over. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan.
It's a miscommunication, but Dorian Peña's got to be more aware. I mean, that's a pick and roll. What big men are supposed to do fundamentally, after you set that pick, you got to roll to the basket.
Norwood is with Tang, Belga, Quinyahan, and Jericho Cruz. Belga with that rebound, in trouble. Somehow, T.Y. Tang ended up with that leather. It turns that garbage into gold.
A great effort by T.Y. Tang. One of the more scrappier guards in the PBA, getting that offensive rebound and putback.
Rondial looking to attack Quinyahan. Rodney, nowhere to go. Out to Urbistondo. 3 on the shot clock. Josh unleashes one. Diubra.
Going back to that, the first quarter, I mean, you're looking at 16 points, and we're in the second quarter for Rain or Shine already. That should give you some sort of indication of how they might be feeling so far in this basketball game.
How about this guy, J.R. Quinyahan, best player of last night's game. 24 points in 22 minutes of action as we take another look at that LA triple from moments ago.
Well, you know, you always love to see when a big fella, you know, gets a big night, you know. And what I like about it is he knocked down a few three-point shots. And it's one of the things I like about these guys, Extra Rice. They have that versatility. They can put it on the floor. They got the side steps, and then they can post you up. They can attack from so many different positions. And they look like they're not capable of doing it, but believe me, they are.
Tenorio, this time make sure it's a 3. Yung kanina pala stepping on the line, long to lang. This time it is a triple. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Devolution. Turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV.
Great shot by LA Tenorio. We need to see more of that from him.
Belga underneath, overcooks the reverse. Urbistondo, forward pass over to Tenorio. LA na naman. Couldn't get the bounce. Urbistondo on the putback, too strong. Jericho over at the other side. To Quinyahan, susukatin na naman. Naubusan na si Quinyahan from last night. Baragael down the middle. The back attack produces 2 points.
Great look by LA Tenorio, straight down the middle. Great assist.
Barangay Ginebras lead is now up to 19. TY from deep. Wala pa rin.
Right now, Magoo, I don't like the shot selection by Rain or Shine. They got to get the ball inside, get more movement.
TY holds down LA Tenorio, trying to make sure that there was no continuation. Ryan Aranya papasok para dito sa Rain or Shine. Aranya actually started last night's game. Now is coming off the bench. Urbistondo against Cruz. They go to Baragael. He wants to attack Aranya. Matt loses it. Quinyahan picks it up. Aranya stepping on the gas. Will he go to the side step once again? Aranya shifting over to the left hand. Instant offense from Ryan.
Exactly. I mean, he's been like that ever since he came into the league. Such an aggressive guard, not afraid of the contact.
Tenorio rebounds it. Gives up the dime to Brondial.
Such a great heads-up play.
Tang nowhere to go. Kicks it back out. Belga, his bullet pass taken away by Urbistondo. Josh on a 3-on-2. they wait for Tenorio. The teardrop is good. And Barangay Ginebra is rocking and rolling in the second quarter. Jack na ang abante nila, forcing Coach Cheng into a timeout. Hatid sa atin to ng KFC. Log on to kfcdelivery.com.ph or dial 887-8888. KFC, so good. Barangay Ginebra mopping the floor with rain or shine here in the second quarter of action. Namagana nga po hanggang sa 21 ang kanilang abante dito. Raymond Almazan, fresh off the bench, stops the bleeding somewhat para dito sa Ross.
Well, those are the type of plays they need to execute. I mean, they got to get the ball inside, get the higher percentage shot.
That's what you were talking about earlier on. Rain or shine, they leaned on that three-point shot last night. But the law of averages looks like it has caught up with them here on the second night of their back-to-back, as Paracael and Jericho Cruz are exchanging dagger looks.
They just got taken, that's all.
Second deep drop for the last minute.
They're okay.
14 on the shot.
Look at the fast break points so far. Barangay Ginebra really trying to run rain or shine to the ground. Trying to check if they have their legs underneath them.
I think that's part of the strategy. Try to run these guys. Nice block. Is that a block shot? It looked like a nice block shot by Almanzan.
As T.Y. Tang misses on his favorite shot dito naman sa kabila. Raymond Almazan, a basket and a block already less than a minute on the floor.
That's the type of energy that rain or shine needs right now, especially from their big guys.
Almazan started last night's game. Played only 9 minutes though. Coach Cheng didn't get much out of him and didn't really play him the rest of the way. He wants to make up for it tonight.
Well, definitely. I mean, when you're talking about, again, possible fatigue factor, the energy levels, and you can actually see it just by looking at the score, especially in that first quarter, the point production. You're going to need that type of effort and good quality minutes from your big men. He did start, but let's face it, J.R. Kanyahan, Bo Belga, they're the more experienced. He's a younger kid. They need a lot from him, especially in tonight's basketball game.
Lead of Ginebra is back to 19. Rain or shine goes to Aranya. Goes to the familiar spin.
Nice
Jericho Cruz rather. What a move by this rookie. 17 ang kailangan punuin ng Elasto Painters. Tenorio is being bothered by Tang. They go to Paracael for the long one. Hatid sa atin niya ng PLDT Home Devolution turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV.
Mark Paracael, one of those players, so deadly. I mean, I love his aggressiveness ever since. I mean, just so deadly once he gets those, especially those three-point shots going.
Tenorio once again running the show, pulls up on top of Ryan. Jericho para sa rebound. Cruz will stop and pop and get the triple to drop. Hatid sa atin yan ang PLDT Home Devolution turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV.
To me, that was a good recognition by Cruz. You know, he saw he was open, had the confidence to knock that shot down.
Jericho trying to light a fire from under rain or shine as Urbistondo misses horribly on that one. Look who dives for that letter. It is T.Y. Tang. Naka-request siya ng 30-second timeout. So Rain or Shine trying to do all they can to get themselves back in this game, Ali.
That's the type of effort they're going to need. I mean, you know, as far as talent, X's and O's are concerned, I mean, that's what helped them win the game yesterday. Now it's going to be everything. Diving on a loose ball. The 50-50 we call it. That's what the coaches call it, 50-50 balls. The stuff that you don't see on the stat sheet. That's the type of effort they're going to need.
Tandaan natin, huling araw na to ng PBA in Dubai. And the Governor's Cup will resume this coming Sunday sa Araneta Coliseum. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it is going to be Barako Bull taking on Meralco. Bago yung salpukang SMB at Star Hotshots sa 5:15. There you go. That's this coming Sunday. Can be seen live on TV5, Signal Channel 198 in HD, Sports5.ph at pati na rin sa Action TV.
Curious to see what happens between the San Miguel Beer and Pure Foods. I mean, Pure Foods kind of struggling. San Miguel starting to find their mark. It's
Coming off their first win. First order of business is this game between Rain or Shine and Ginebra. Almazan had that offensive board, but couldn't send it home. Mercado to Urbistondo from that left side. He attacks Tang. Chop it from the outside. No go on the jumper. McInnes is back on the floor. Para dito sa Rain or Shine. Aranya goes to the crossover. Over Chop it.
What a nice move by Ryan Aranya.
Yung tinatawag na contra-tempo. It's not it doesn't really look like how everybody else moves. He just goes off beat on everybody.
He does, and he's got the great timing. And, you know, of course, those loop shots, those teardrops, such effective way, especially for the guards. For those young guards out there, you want to get that ball over that big guy. This is one great way to do it.
Did that really, when you used to play and all of these guys like Mac Cardona and Aranya, when they teardropped right on your face, did that piss you off?
It was frustrating as hell, okay? And it got to the point where even if I challenged it, I was like, it's going in. Especially Mac Cardona. I mean, I had to see him we were teammates for a while.
He had that teardrop all the way to the three-point line.
And he would laugh at you. He'd laugh.
Oh, look at that acrobatic attempt. Misses on the layup though. Here comes Rain or Shine once again. Aranya to the cup. Ball is loose. Picked up by Chapet. It's a 4-on-1. Aguilar to the rack. Aranya will line this one up. McInnes inside. Finally, a basket is scored after some bad decisions on both sides.
Bad decisions, particularly with Chapet. You got a 3-on-1, look like a 4-on-1 break. Anytime there's a 3 or 4-on-1 break. Well, let's look at McInnes here with the offensive rebound and the putback, going to the free throw line to get that bonus. But going back to that last transition play by Ginebra, you should convert every time. There should be no excuse. If you really want to upset the coach, that's one way to do it. You should always score on a 3-on-1 or 4-on-1. First and foremost, get the ball to the point guard.
Might have gotten it back for an alley-oop. It was just Paul Lee.
It definitely.
Line of defense. Let's see if they can make up for it. Looks like Coach Frankie Lim wants to talk things over.
Time, Barangay Ginebra State.
As Barangay Ginebra calls for time. Lamang po ng Barangay Ginebra ay naibaba na sa 12 as attorney Commissioner Chito Salud, Boss Willie Marshall and Ricky Santos oversee all of the action. Just over 4 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Silipin muna natin ang ating Stanley Performance in Action, brought to you by Stanley Tools. Performance in action. Barangay Ginebra looking to recover. They redeploy Orlando Johnson. Orlando down the gut of the defense. Nowhere to go. McInnes clears it para sa Rain or Shine. Aranya to Almazan. Bothered by the defense of Johnson. Tenorio pushing it over to Kagiwa. Mark had that explosive first quarter. Looks to pick up where he left off. Marcelo couldn't control that rebound. The Asian import Sanchir has now been deployed here by Coach Frankie Lim. Sanchir has seen action in 3 of the first 4 games of Ginebra, averaging only 13 minutes per game. Lee gets it over to the wing. 3-pointer on the way. Air ball straight into the hands of McInnes, and he goes glass to cut this deficit to 10.
This is Rain or Shine has to, like I said earlier, they have to weather this storm, kind of get their second wind back, and again, the offensive rebounding of their import begins.
Johnson fouled by Almazan.
Pushing foul, number 57, Raymond Almazan, second.
Second personal whistled on Raymond.
Foul in the last minutes. 2 shots, Orlando Johnson.
Johnson rims out the first. Only 7 points in the game so far para dito kay Orlando.
Well, they're doing a very good job of executing the defense from rain or shine. You saw the last sequence. They tried to go a 1-4 low to try to isolate Orlando, but he had nowhere to go. That's why I say they need to go more into the post for Orlando. Get some easy buckets. There's a mismatch down there.
Lead of Ginebra is at 11. Lee to Aranya, going to McInnes. Oh! What a power step off that pivot. McInnes brings them to within 9.
I'm telling you, the guy is powerful, especially when he gets about 5 feet away from that bucket. And Ginebra's big men have to do a better job of holding their ground.
Orlando feeds Marcelo. 2 flyby moves. Meron ng foul before the attempt.
It was actually pretty good patience on the part of Dave Marcelo, not allowing himself to get blocked, throwing a couple up fakes.
Sanchier will inbound. Kasama niya sina Tenorio, Marcelo, Kagiwa, and Johnson, being defended by McInnes. Lee, Aranya, Almazan, and Jericho Cruz. Orlando Johnson starting to cook here. He's got 10 points.
It was a good shot there, but again, it was a jump shot. I think he does his most damage. You see a nice move by Cruz. Reverse layup.
Got away from an airborne Orlando Johnson.
It's a great move.
Sanchier wants it. He's backing down. Sanchier is fouled by Jericho. Or no, his whistle for steps. He lost his pivot.
That's the one thing I like about this kid, Jericho Cruz, is he's not afraid to bang. He's very physical. I think he's ideal, very ideal for a team like Rain or Shine. I think he fits right in real well.
Belga back on the floor. Pinilitan muna si Almazan. Jericho once again from top of the key. Gets it over to Big Bo. Belga's in trouble. Where will he go? Shot clock is at 7. Aranya off the spin. Trying to use that shoulder. Aranya comes up with a miracle shot.
Can you believe that? That's over 2 guys. That's Mark Kagiwa and Orlando Johnson. What a great move.
7 points off the bench para dito kay Ryan Aranya. Played only 16 minutes last night, so he should be one of the fresher guys para sa Rain or Shine. Johnson attacking McInnes. Couldn't carve out the space, ends up stepping on the baseline.
You see, there's nowhere for him to go. And Rain or Shine's down right now, but you see they're closing that gap. The attack is, they're forcing the attack from another player of Ginebra. Orlando Johnson's been doing just about everything for Ginebra, but they're doing a good job of shutting him down.
Daan na pong 1 minuto natitira sa ating first half. Lee may tangan ng bola. Puts up a 3. Rain or Shine was already down by as much as 21. Naibaba na nila sa 4 ang hinahabol nila. 30-second timeout requested here by Coach Frankie. What a fight back by the Elasto Painters.
Very good, and it all started with defense. Two things, Magoo. Defense and containing Orlando Johnson, not allowing him to take control or to go wherever he wants to go, forcing Ginebra to attack from another player. But on the other end, offensively, offensive rebounds.
Orlando Johnson, who averages better than 43 points per game, has been limited to only 10 so far. As we take another look at that 3 from Lee. Rain or Shine showing their fight back here in Dubai. Ganito po ka-importante ang ating bakbakan dito. Both squads looking for win number 2. Tandaan po natin, top 8 lang ang lulusot into the quarterfinal round, while the bottom 4 will be on vacation mode. Barangay Ginebra on the move. Marcelo loses it. Lee with those quick hands. Aranya attacking, stopping on a dime. Aranya feeding McInnes. Will that basket count? Looks like it was before the attempt.
Magoo, you can feel Rain or Shine coming. They're coming, and here's the thing too: they have the experience, and they've been in tougher situations. So I don't think we should be so surprised to see them bouncing back. They've done it so many times. It's a very dangerous team.
Lee off the pirouette, misses. Picked up by Belga. Here comes the three. No. Kagiwa secures it to Marcelo. Aranya slaps it out of bounds.
Very interesting to see now how Ginebra responds to this run by Rain or Shine. We're talking about a 4-point lead here. How are they going to respond to the pressure, and who's going to step up?
Last shot time para dito sa mga nakaputi. Johnson gets it to Kagiwa for a long one. Mark Kagiwa lights it up.
And as I said that, Mark the Spark knocks down a 3-point shot.
19 first half points para dito kay Mark Kagiwa. And he gives Barangay Ginebra a 7-point lead heading into the dugout.